what happened in Nairobi on 25th, on Wednesday, and happened in some towns in Kenya, was clearly not a Gen Z revolution, not a Gen Z agitation, but rather clear ethnic mobilization. And I think we need to be very candid, unless we want to lose our country. If we keep quiet, that is the same way the Rwandese kept quiet and their country almost burns. If you check, if you followed where the demonstrations were conducted, Nairobi, for the first time, the only place where mammoth crowd was witnessed was along Thika Road. And we know why. Another place was Kitengela, the outskirts of Nairobi. We know why. Then you hear of Nyeri, Olkalau, Nyahururu, Kiambu. And then to make it worse, people attack police stations